Hey there, I hope you are doing good. Welcome to Arena Innovation. Today we are here for the demonstration of Social Email Phone Extractor Pro. Let me open the tool for you. In the meantime, let me give you the brief about the tool. Social Email Phone Extractor Pro comprises of extracting data through the top 4 giants of social media named LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter and Pinterest. So what you can do in this tool is you can extract either emails or phone numbers from any of the social media you want. You have to just select a country, you have to provide a keyword. Now a keyword can be anything. It can be a business, it can be a service, it can be a product, a job title, anything. Then you have to enter a location, if any specific location do you want to put, from which you want the data to be extracted, you can put that. And then you have to select the search engine. Then you just have to click on start. So we'll start with the tool. This is the layout of the tool. First we'll select the method, we'll extract phones. Then we'll select the network. We'll go with LinkedIn first. You can go with Instagram also, Facebook also, Twitter also, Pinterest also, all the web also. It is totally upon you. We'll select country. Let's suppose I've selected India. I'll enter the keyword. Now let's assume that you are into real estate business and any business, and you're looking for a investor, you're looking for a good investor. So let's suppose we are looking for doctors. Now I'll select the number type, what number type I want as the lead. Now I have to enter location. Let's suppose I have entered Mumbai. Then I have to select a search engine, either Google, Bing or Yahoo. So we'll go with Google only. Bing and Yahoo are not relevant these days. Now everything is done. We have to just click on the start. As soon as you will click on start, a Google pop-up is going to come. In the background you would see the data extraction is in process. You just have to scroll down manually, move from one page to another, and in the background you would see the data extraction is in process. We'll move manually from second to third to fourth, and in the background you will see the data extraction keeps going on. Fifth to sixth to seventh. As soon as the user thinks that yeah, this much data is sufficient for me to work on, he or she can stop at any point of time. Then you can minimize it, you can have access to your data, you will be getting the title, their email if they have provided on their LinkedIn, their mobile numbers, and the link from which the data has been extracted. At any point of time you can click on stop, and let's suppose you want this data to be saved as an Excel file for a record. You can click on this export button. As soon as we will click on the export button, the entire data would be saved in an Excel file as it is. We'll just have to open it, and as soon as we will open it, you'll see the entire data as it is. Now what you can do is you can simply copy paste these numbers, paste it in the WhatsApp marketing tool, and let these people know about your business. So this was the Social Email Phone Extractor Pro. Thank you. Have a great day. Adios.